Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. As you can tell from the title, we are doing a summer clothes haul for my last two children. Before we get started, make sure you are subscribed to this channel. Make sure you give this video a like. Also make sure you are following me on Instagram as well as my vlog channel, which is all linked in the description. So let's get started. A lot of this stuff I showed on my vlog channel, but I'm doing a true haul here because I have so many things going on that the tutorial I was going to do today is going to be put off for Thursday. So that's why I'm doing this haul here as well. So I am first going to start by the two shirts that I got Cameron from Zumiez. I ordered these. If you don't know what Zumiez is, it's mainly targeted towards like skateboarders and stuff like that. But they have some really cool stuff, and I had to buy some pants for one of my other sons. So I decided to buy Cam two shirts that were on sale. So this one looks pretty long. It's Volcom. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. And then it has that on the back. And then I also got him this one. It's by DGK. I thought it was pretty cool and appropriate because some of the things that were for his size and his age. And these are pretty long. These will be super long on him. But yeah, like I was saying, some of the stuff that I seen there was like not appropriate. So I also got him these from TJ Maxx. These little basketball shorts, so he can be comfy in the summer when him and Autumn are outside playing. They'll have that. This is an Under Armour shirt, but it has what does it say? Oh, squad leader and Sixth Lord on it. And then that's how it looks in the back. And this shirt and those shorts came from TJ Maxx. And this is an Under Armour shirt, like I said. Also, I got Cam this Under Armour shirt. Just plain, simple. I know you see a lot of red and black, but if you watch my vlogs, you know that Cameron is very particular about the things that he wears. So it's very hard shopping for him when he's not with me because I'm just kind of guessing what he will like and it's hard. So I got him this black shirt. It's a Calvin Klein shirt. Just simple, plain black CK shirt. I don't know if I said, but everything I'm showing you right now is from TJ Maxx. I only bought him those two shirts from Zumiez. And then we also have this Under Armour shirt. And it says, "Too good to ignore." And it's just the Under Armour logo on the back. Now, for shorts, I'm actually going to take him out to buy shorts because Cameron is really tall, but Cameron is also really skinny. So his waist is rather small, and I always tend to buy his shorts too big. They fit lengthwise, but the waist is always too big. So for shorts, I'm going to go through all the shorts he had last year. A lot still have tags on them, as well as seeing if he needs any new shorts, and then I'll take him out to purchase them. Autumn is pretty easy, but she is growing, so it's kind of like her top half is still really small. She could fit like a lot of 10s and 12s still. Like 12 for her top is like the size that fits. 14 she could fit but would be too big, and 10 fits but sometimes it's too short. Now with her bottoms, depending on how it's made, she can be anywhere from 12, 14. So it's iffy with her too. So I just buy stuff, see if it fits. If it doesn't, I'll exchange it. But pretty much everything I bought so far fits her. So again, this stuff that I'm showing you right now is from TJ Maxx. So I got this shirt for her. Pretty simple, just plain shirt. It has stripes here on the sleeves, which is really cute. It's by Glitz brand, and it's kind of slightly high-low in the front. And this one was a size 10-12, which is great. Then I got this shirt from Tees, and this one is a 12. but they only had like 8 and 12, so I got the 12. But it's really, really cute, and yes, it has that kind of sequence where you do that with it. Let's see if I can get this. So it's really cute, and she loves it. I showed her all this. So this is what the back looks like, and then the front at the bottom is a knot, which is super cute. And I tried to stay really trendy for her because girls are so awful. So just try to keep up with the trends and things like that for her. Like with my boys, it kind of mattered a little bit, but then when they were coming up, it really didn't matter. Like with Cam, all he cares about if it looks nice on him, if he likes it and it fits. He could care less what style is in. So yeah. So I got her this Nike shirt, and I actually have a pink Nike shirt, this same color I got from TJ Maxx. I got it out of the kids section. I just got a bigger size, but mine just has like the Nike swoosh on it. But this plain Nike shirt, and the only reason she will wear pink, because if you guys know I can't stand pink, is because it's a Nike shirt. That's the only reason that she will wear pink. And she has some Nikes she got for Christmas that are pink and white that her dad bought, so she'll wear them because her dad bought them. So this shirt is absolutely long, and this one is from Justice, but it's a size 12, so I think it's more like a tunic style top. Kind of looks almost like a little dress. I'm sure she'll try to wear it as a dress, but nah, sister. Okay, so this one has the same kind of sequence on it. So yeah. And apparently that's where all the little girls in this area shop is at Justice. So that's that. So we will move on to her Justice haul that I actually did. And of course, I put everything back in the bags that came in. So yeah. So again, this is a Justice haul I did for her. I've said this plenty of times, because I have a girl and I have 6 boys before her. There's nothing I could pass on to her. She's really girly with a lot of things. Only thing that she will wear, like one of her brothers had, is like a shirt or pajamas that nobody really cares about. But I think she only took like 1 pair of pajamas from Cam, and then when we went to Kohl's one time, she bought a shirt out of the boys section. It was a Nike shirt, but it was gray and it had like a pink Nike swoosh on it. So I have to buy her more than everybody else during the summer, because again, there's nothing to pass on to her. So I don't have girls, you know, she's my only girl, so I have to buy a new wardrobe every season for her. So this is just a black shirt. What I realized with Justice is I probably should have bought 12s instead of 14s, but she'll wear them anyway. And she's so tall. She's getting so tall. Her and Cam are actually the same height, which is really freaky. So I only bought 2 shirts from actual Justice store, and that's that one. And then, nope, those are shorts. I just want to do the shirts first, and then we can go into the shorts. So then I just bought her this blue top, just basic. You know, I like to buy her graphic shirts, but I also like to buy her basic shirts, because she has a lot of bottoms that have like designs and stuff on them, and they may be very colorful. So then she needs like basic tops, you know what I mean? So we have these shorts, and I bought 14s, and I thought they were going to be uber big on her, but because she is a 9-year-old with a little bitty butt, they fit. The waist is just kind of big, so I got these. But these are drawstring, so she could pull them tight. But these are super cute. I know her dad's going to kill me because they'll probably be too short, but that's the way things are made now. It's so hard buying stuff for girls, you know, trying to find long shorts. And you know, the kids are really into whatever trends are going on, because I will buy long shorts and she won't wear them unless we're going somewhere that she can't wear them. Like if we're around the house, I don't mind so much, but like if she's going to visit friends or relatives, I make her wear the longer shorts. So I got these Bermuda shorts. These are longer, like I said, the waist, and they say Justice right there. These were actually on sale, but the regular price of these are like $12.90. I think I paid like $7 something for them. I bought these a while ago, so I don't know where my receipt is to verify, guys. But yeah, I know a lot of people don't agree. There are a lot of my friends that buy their kids boy shorts because they're longer, but I am who I am, and if I choose to buy my kid shorts that are shorter than some like, it's my business. If you want to buy my kid longer shorts, go right ahead and do it. Okay, so we got these, and again, these are 14-16, and these are super cute, and they're kind of flowy a little bit, but yeah, these I'll have to pin because this is uber big on her, but she'll probably have them for a couple years, so next year I won't have to buy that much. But see, they have like the little pom-poms on them. You can see them better online because on the little models, they, you know, you can see more detail on them. Just kind of get through this. So I got somewhere to go this morning. Oh, I never took these out the bag. So we got these. These are like rollover shorts. Obviously, Dad's gonna have a problem with these too, but okay, I'm not quite sure where I left off because my battery died and I had to change it. So, like I was saying, I got these. These are actually rollover. So it says Justice along the waist. And these are also 14-16, but she got some leggings from there for Christmas that are 14-16, and they fit. The thing about Autumn is she's really skinny, but she's got a little bit of a butt. She got that from her dad. The only reason why I have a butt now is because I gained all this weight, but I never had a butt. So yeah, these are super cute and sporty for her. So then we also got these. So I made her try on the different styles, like the knit shorts and the jean shorts, to make sure they fit. Like I said, most of them fit around the butt area, but the waist is really big on a lot of these shorts on her. So that's some denim shorts. These are the midi, I'm sorry, M-I-D-I, not mini. It's just really cute. But I did the online shop and she picked out like 2 pair, and then I picked out the rest for her. Just want to see what her style, you know, ideas were from this year. Okay, so we got the darker denim, and at the bottom they fold up. And these are just a 14. So these are high waist, and then they have like these buttons here, and these are real buttons. I hate buying clothes that are fake buttons, you know what I mean? They're just like there, but you can't unbutton them. Drives me insane. I mean, for kids. For me, it's fine, as long as I can pull them down and pull them up really easily. I think these will fit a little bit better because they're 14s and not 14-16. But the denim, this denim from Justice is really, really soft. I love it. I don't know why I never shopped for her before at Justice, but I'm going to do it now. And these are the ones she actually tried on, and these are 14. So these are considered their short. Now these weren't like uber short to like where this was actually at her crotch, but it was a little bit lower, so that's fine for me. Plus, like I said, when we're around the house, it doesn't bother me as much as when we go places. Like she's going to be out in public, like at the mall or dinner or at her friend's house or relative's house. So I got these, came actually in her kid pick box. If you want to see what she got for her kid pick box, I'll try to remember to link it at the end of this video, but you can check it out on my vlog channel. You'll know it's her because it's all her face on the thumbnail of the outfits that she got from Kid Pick. But these little shorts are so cool. They're just like a like a cargo, not cargo, but you know, like the khaki pants, like the khaki denim. That's what this material is like. And this has the adjustable waist inside. She has like 10,000 belts and she never uses them. But yeah, those were just some summer items that I got for the last two kids, Cam and Autumn. Like I said, I'll probably take Cam out after I go through their totes to see what they have, what can fit, what can't fit. Then at that point I'll take them out. I normally wait till summer for the older boys because, like I said, they're adults, they're teens, and they have their own style. Like, most of them have jobs, so they'll probably buy their own stuff anyway, but I still like to buy them things just so they can save their money for like other stuff. Sure, I'm sorry guys, I was really sick Friday. I'm really out of breath. My chest really hurts still, so that's why I'm constantly taking a deep breath. But my kids will not wear coats in the winter. They'll wear hoodies in the winter, you know, light jackets. Summer comes, they wear hoodies in the summer with shorts. I don't get it. Like, you won't wear a coat or anything warm in the winter when you go out, but in the summer, when it's hot, you still wear a hoodie. I don't know. So I like to wait till it's getting warm. The boys can go through their things and then they say, hey mom, I need more shirts, or I need more shorts, you know, and then I have to go with their style because they are older. So trying to guess their style is really hard because it changes like every day. Okay, enough rambling. That's it for today's video. Like I said, if you want to see Autumn's kid pick haul, you can check that out on my vlog channel, which is linked below. And like I said, I will try to leave her kid pick video linked at the end of this video. But make sure you are subscribed to this channel. Make sure you give me a big old like, share this video out. We are trying to get to 10,000 so I can do the giveaway. As soon as we get to 10,000, I am going to present you guys with the giveaway and you'll get all the information then. Still trying to put it together, so I have time because I'm not to 10,000 yet. So make sure you're following me on Instagram. Also make sure you have your bell notifications turned on so you get notified every time I upload, and I will see you Thursday. Bye.